Hello. I recommend this video for those who are currently getting acquainted with Arduino.
The Arduino is a widely adopted, open-source development platform. It was initially created for educational purposes but is extensively used for home projects, ranging from small automation tasks to the development of smart homes. In addition to this, industrial applications are becoming increasingly common, and it serves as the foundation for numerous IoT devices. The Arduino platform consists of an electronic circuit board and a software environment. The circuit board itself is available in various configurations. One of the first and most widely used circuit boards is the Arduino UNO. In the following, I will introduce the structure, characteristics, and usage of this board. The most essential component of Arduino circuits is the microcontroller. In the case of the UNO, this is an 8MB328EP type, 8-bit microcontroller. The microcontroller is an integrated circuit, IC, chip, that includes, in addition to the processor and memory, various other peripherals. The key peripherals in a general microcontroller can include timer circuits, analog and digital inputs and outputs, communication peripherals, and many others. Such microcontrollers are increasingly found in our everyday objects, ranging from household appliances to small and large gadgets. For example, they can be found in washing machines, digital clocks, remote controls, and mobile phones. With their help, we can measure sensor signals, read the status of buttons, control LEDs, motors, communicate with other circuits, and serve many other tasks. The role of the Arduino UNO circuit board is to expose the pins of the microcontroller placed on it to easily accessible and user-friendly connectors. It also contains the necessary components for the operation and programming of the microcontroller. Microcontrollers generally have significantly lower computing power compared to traditional PCs, but this results in much lower power consumption and smaller size. Since they typically do not run an operating system, they can be applied to real-time tasks, meaning the microcontroller can quickly respond to a specific event within a guaranteed maximum time. Note, real-time operating systems exist, however, they require more resources than native code. Key parameters of the 8MB328EP microcontroller include 8-bit architecture, 16 MHz clock speed, EEPROM, read-only memory 1 KB SRAM. For variable storage 2 KB flash, program storage ROM 32 KB. To use external circuits, it's necessary to understand pin allocation, i.e., how to reference a specific pin in the code. The Arduino circuit board's pins, located near the edge of the board, are accessed in the code using the numbers. These pins can be digital, marked from 0 to 13, or analog inputs, marked from A0 to A5. The A0, A5 pins can also function as digital inputs and outputs if configured so in the code. For external circuits, we can conveniently supply power from the fixed voltage output pins to the circuit. When connecting sensors, digital ICs, and other external circuits to the connectors, it's essential to be aware of the operational limits of inputs and outputs. Key levels and limitations include operating voltage, 5 volts, maximum current that can be drawn or influenced from a digital output, 20 mA, maximum current that can be drawn from the 3.3 volt output, 50 mA. It is crucial to pay close attention to voltage levels and current limitations when using Arduino. Only circuits operating at similar voltage levels should be interconnected, and the current levels should be kept below the maximum allowable value with the appropriate series-connected resistor, calculated during the design. For Arduino, numerous shield circuits, known as Arduino shields, are available. The advantage of these circuit boards is that they can be easily placed on the Arduino with a single motion, instantly enhancing the Arduino with some useful functionality. Compatibility must be considered because there are shields that require a 3.3 volt power supply, and using them with the 5 volt signal level Arduino Uno may cause damage. The essential internal peripherals of the 8MEGA328EP and their practical applications are as follows. 1. Digital input-output I/O used for reading digital signals and controlling digital states. 2. PWM, pulse width modulation employed for controlling the duty cycle of a digital signal. 3. ADC, analog to digital converter used for measuring analog voltages. 4. UART, universal asynchronous receiver transmitter enables serial communication with a computer and external digital circuits. To access the peripherals of Arduino Uno in the code, the following diagram can be helpful. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on the latest content. Goodbye.